to and then me say oti na nagbazon ka che what you say me chia the Osho TV station we ni nyina eche monti na nagbazon ka eya kwantu mu nti asem na monti na nagbazon ka no maba no etire no mahu na ma bebre o TV station pastors for condemn bosoma djuma small boys obi mudi omuko nwuro mako twa program say omuye nanafo obi asore wo nanafo eduro ye nananamu na start eduro wonni ma duro asema enye say obetna se na wo se wo ye eduro adwuma obi wo omudi poda gugu omoni say omuye konfo enye ene na ye eduro ebumo ho me amonfo 419 de bia me sorry TV station na meka 419 say obi amba me hoda na ekire say wanchi ko amanfo bebre ho no mobu omukosia nde me pese me na nagbozo me ma obi anwu say sika djuma no enye obi na obetime sika djuma wa omuka say sika tumia ana say sika duro obi mo ho munim sika duro mini ombeka say sa de na eni ho ba de ni mi ho a yenda yentupuno no adibonity na yetupuno no so the okase duro ni ho a maybe nana na ni ho wan sorry tu nana na wan sorry tu ni papa titi no ye nana no mo sumbusum sa muslim ni nyamisum we na ma busuma sembe ko busuma senso so nya ade na ye adibone ade na wodi bebo humbai enye se wuku nipa ane na ye busum asem anase obisi bobidu anaku obi mame ene na ye busum azo busum chede na nami jambi dia no susu ahye eduro mu se mebi obi yare obetimi asane yara obi no ho nkyere no nyam betimi obi won bo no ho nkyere nipa na atamfo koye no ye basa mebi ni mami ana ne papa mu ye sika ni obe sore no na ho nkyere na ewom na ne fie susu sika fie no wo obi mu sore o mu si oduro nye ukoji buso mu koye se sezi oduro nye buso makoko na obeku asra nyame no odi achede de open ama but sezi anu ye kasi oduro nye no na oduro nye adenti na ekun okoko na enu akoko we ba oduro no mu bedi akoko na obeku ana ukoto oil bi ayesa adwuma no obi abepia obe condemn sa adwuma no obi abepia obe condemn sa adwuma no adwuma no so enye ye na ebe hya ase ye nananom na titi no na mo hya ase ye sa adwuma no enye se ye di no kunipa na se ye duoduro obi wo ho mo ti se duoduro no mo nim eduro adikro na mo fre eduro no ni mini eduro enye adibone but obi mo di 419 ahya adwuma na se omo nim di omo ye obesore ana o kire nipa se fesika se bra fa 5 million bra fa 3 million bra fa 10.5 fa se ni nyina ya za na omo ye eduro wu ni sika wuntimi ye eduro sika ho adwuma eduro ayi se ututo no ho ne makura se wo be ye afre sika ho adwuma eno no enye nkwara asem eno so a secret thing enye se wo mami fa wo mami bra na fa wo papa na fa wo babra nyame ye sa chede ne se ye mfa bo nipa di omu nibi obi mu be pie TV station a fa 3.5 bra fa 5 sa na mani nyina ehye mebufu wo betimi ehu akoda on 15 years krompo obetna TV station a oso ye mala oso ye nana no mugu ye nana no mofo enimase sa die no eye me ya pa na mpesen de me ma the Osho TV station onya abotre nhwe sa adwuma we nu na ma explain adikro no mo fre eduro e wo spiritual o mo ka say spiritual ana say no ana susum no oba bi wo ha obetimi adasum daye no ne be ma have sex sa die no susu motia fo adwuma no be ma susu bi wo ha obetimi ada no wo jinso good keteso ni nyine yare no enye say wote ho say wunim de how obi wo ho be kwa burcha kwa ya adwuma saa years ni 20 years ni wanye sika papa bi wo bia wo be ba fie kura nungu ase nti won timi ba fie ma me papa wo betna se ka se wachi abre wanye baby papa kwa wo ma wo ba mo bu se si azafo no doso awo system no me na make us say my menim bibia face aya akasa who max no wakura obehu say na nagbozo na ekasa no enya akom na edimi da ke ekom ti ami TV station but ye na ewo busum adwuma no pastors for be fasa monfa sa magic no di omudi bia sore no na omudi common fly nipa omuko India pastors ni bebre wo homoji die wo Ghana mi no omu ye share India na omuji oduro ewo oho omudi bebia sore but mu betanasi mu beka say na Jesus na munim say busum wo preach she obi na okoto fom no Jesus sore nipa say na Jesus preach agu na nipa na to fom sesi amu be bo nipa mu ko ji mu spirit mu ko ji mu busum abehye mu sore dam ya adwuma aya mu chia busumfo no so mu betena ko ji busum abetena TV station na wo ya sakirani wo preach nchi amafo wo yesi na mu pese mu bedi adansefo se busum na ema mu sa tumi no ende ewiase de yemfa japade enko bibia wo toka bia na se wusi fie bia no wu a wo mfa enko bibia wu a wo mfa no ko bibia so wo be preach na se wo be ya fa busum no asida ma no Muslim na ema otumi no a fa Muslim asida ma no batumu ko preach aya santreni no a the way yetra TV station na ya nwonwasem no this time pastors for ya nwonwasem pastors for say omu ye double money pastors for say wo di mistake atari TV a wo benye ska pastor si wo di sticker no tare wo TV a shirabe bema na Jesus wo hono sa na Jesus tumi no kire say omu ye Jesus wo hono da be na Jesus kire say tumi no say wo preach show bi no kwoti to form ana say wo sani pa yare a pai bo na obebo ba de omu ye no eburu ye junna ti ase so ye nti ase de omu ye no pastor preach go bi no kwoti to form sa na ma ni nyina no ye sore ewu Jesus anabi wakase Jesus akase ye hu say omo preach go bi no kwoti to form sa na ma no busuma dwuma na mudi ye sa na ma ni nyina no but the omu nim secret no a no mo kire say anwonwasem na moye na no so enya anwonwasem tumi no de ye kita ye sa de we no enu abi na mo kita no so ya mo nchi abusumfo say ye na ye kita mpodia ne manemo we no manfo wo say aya di bone atsore na mo ko no omo so omo kita busum na bi pastor bia na opie TV station no ka say enye busum na ema no tumi no wodi bie na sori a on pay TV station on frame na nagbozo me be kire no kwai na ofa so abie na sori no meti wo se bebre ma buo mu sa tumi no ayo mo she rank obi mo mo kita hanky white one tumi no wo ring no hanky no pastor bie no be preach shewa hwe no sa ring no be she say wedding ring no enye wedding ring tumi no na wo ring no obi wo kita hanky white one ana okita hanky kakra no dia papa na enim no spirit no wo hanky no mu so sa na ma ni nyina no busum adwuma na mo ye no but on bet no mu gu busum fo ni mase sesia nkofo ni bi wo ha pastors ni bi wo ha amo kokko ma TV station fo sika no mu di condemn busum fo e ko si asem kira busum da no me no nyesa confusion no osi oba mi na nagbozo tamale na obe ma mi na nagbozo kwa asore na mi kire ni se ni papa kura ni nana na owo no ontimi be fa me kwa asore oswa die na wo kita wunipa na asma kura disable wuntimi nsa ho yare mi na obe fa me kwa asore me si ne ma mi twe so busum adwuma ayese yesu yempie na yanka de ni manfa busum adwuma nipa na okita busuma djuma enye se nipa na odiku anya se odi sai nipa dia obe kita na odi si abo adwumboni ni nyina no eno na mo fra ade na enye ba dia odi betimi edi eyi nipa ho nkyerem sa ade na yemfra na de boni nyame boni pa no wo yare na won koto para numa wotinu enko wo yare na won ko pe wona maduro nu a ana won ko hospital na mo hye drip a won ka se enye na adenti na sa ne ma no ya ka se enye we na odi be se obi yare na ya de bone me nuan mo ma yan ka no kore de obe ka se bosumadwuma enya na kire se nipa no eye ma adwon se wo dignity na enamfo wanye na nan ade enya eni owiase eye se wo fa no mbo hu bai ya ka sikasem no titi no ye sori no obi anim ade na mo fre sikaduro ana obi anim de o ka se bosum sika sa de no de o ka se eni ho a na kire se bebi wo sori won tu ne nanan mo ofie ana won tu ne papa ofie sa de no wo pa ba nema na obepe ayesa adwuma no ye ya ma ono eno asem na ye di eniti no bi aniska no so sisi a obe sore na wo si ade se enye wo sore na wo si ade se enye na de wan na ye papa but enye twi ye ka twi no obi mu wo ho a omo nti twi school no susu no manko school but me be ka broken english Jombeti ase de omonti ase so a na yese enye se obefa wo se we 100% e wo adwuma no mu meka se no mpenyinfo wo obi mu wo mu ye mpenyinfo obi mu wo so a omonye mpenyinfo but omo gi omo frɛ omo se omo ye mpenyinfo oduro enye ade na obetimi akokoto anya ade na obetimi akokosua e ukita wa na ekita e moti adwuma na wuntimi frɛ moti a then I try say ukita to me so I say yanko na ma enka brofo no meka twi no bi mo ho monti brofo no in twi no meka brofo no kakra de omoti brofo no a no mo so omoti ase. So right now I want to take I talk a lot about the money work. So right now I don't understand the English, but you suppose I should talk small. And the people who don't understand the tree, you understand the English, the broken English, because the school, the education, I can't go to school, so I just forcing myself speaking small because of the work I'm doing. Right now, everybody promoting TV station, you are doing money for people. The money work, you know, be the fitter shop where you can go and learn the work. If you want the work, find the person who can help you, and in future you can make it. But right now, everybody come out TV station, you are charming money, people go bush and go and take powder, do your eyes, and they you are charming till money, bring fridge, bring help, and that is all before one night. So ladies and gentlemen, the people who are watching TV station, I have some advice I want to give you people. You know, if any person you can get TV station and the person you can help you. Some people they hotel and collecting people money. If you come, you see him. Some people there you can go and rent a single room and they the place and do the and collecting people money. Later, if you want him, you can see him. Some people they Facebook using my pictures and other people pictures, collecting people money. If you call him, you won't get him. Let's do a video call. If you want any help with somebody, do the person video call. And if you want to release your money, give the person, make sure you go to the person's house and know the person's house, the place you are doing the work. Because of security reason. If the person dupe you, you can go to his house. It's like how I'm speaking like this. Many people take my pictures. If you search me Facebook, Nana Agbazo, you see many people Facebook with my picture collecting people money. So Facebook, my name is not there, Nana Agbazo. If you search Nana Agbazo, you won't get me because I don't use Nana Agbazo on Facebook. If you want, take the number. I have WhatsApp number and other things. If you want too much about Agbazo, take the number. You add me. You will chat me. Then I'll give you my Facebook. Then you can go to the Facebook and search me. Then you talk. Too much. If you want to know about Nana Agbazo, I can give you. Go to my WhatsApp. I can give you my Facebook name. I'm not using Nana Agbazo. But if you search Nana Agbazo, you see many people on the TV station, the social media. So if you search me social media, Nana Agbazoa, you won't get me. The people you will see all will be fake people. I want everybody want TV station. Today, this evening, I'm talking like this because of the 419. My brother and sister, somebody there outside more than 20 years. The place you sleep, or paper, you don't get it. Take my number. The problem all will solve for you. And some people there, Nigeria, me and them, we are working a lot. If you want to help, take Nana Agbazoa number and call me or chat me. My 3 numbers who I'm using all is there for WhatsApp. Chat me, you will get me. If you want, call me video call and you see the right person you are talking to you before you can talk what you want. I'm not there here because of people money. Nana Agbazoa is not my name, but the spirit I'm using to do the work, that spirit name is Nana Agbazoa. For London, America, US, many people chatting on me because of this work. But if you didn't get the right time and call, you follow 5 people, then you chop your money. Later you call me and you are crying. So let me go break and come. If you come, you continue. Okay, I talk a lot. I come back. Right now I come back. My brother and sister, you know, be outside, you go and make it. Ghana here, money day. If you want, you did abroad and you didn't get what you want, come to Ghana and meet Nana Agbazoa. Your problem all you will solve. For money, you want dollars, CDs, safer, Naira, any amount you want. Don't be feeling shy. Just take Nana Agbazoa number and contact me. I will show you the roads and ways you do and get the money. So if you want to do work, you will spend money and benefit some. But the person will tell you, bring 5 million, bring 6 million, I'll do something for you. The person is a liar. If before 419, the person want to do you. Lotto number, somebody you can just date TV top, bring 3 million, bring 5 million, I'll do it. Any person will tell you, say you should bring 3 million or 1 million or 500,000, you give you Lotto number. The person is before 419 person. Lotto number, if be dwarful, bring the numbers. And if you want to do Lotto number, the items you want to suppose you kill, give the ghost, you buy 2 white sheep. 1 sheep you can get them 5 million. So those 2 sheep you get them is like 10 million. And before you kill, give the ghost, and the dwarf will bring you the winning numbers. Then you take, give the person. But some people, they TV talk. If you show somebody, bring 30 million, the person will talk to you. If you have that money, I'll do business. If you take that money, do business, you won't do anything for you. So you suppose you spend and get what you want. So if you follow people, last time I go this man play, you collect my money, you didn't get the right person because the fake people. Right now, fake people pass the people where you can do the work for you. Since I started this work, I can't just do TV station and mention people name. Like I will mention people name and you know, Nana Agbazoa, the people I want, I help, or the people where I give them. Right now myself, what I'm talking right now, no. So many people know me. People there and they are talking. You have money. Money is what? If you have money and you can't help somebody, you don't have anything. Or if you have money and you can't give somebody, you don't have anything. God talk. If you have something big, you're supposed to share the thing. The person you don't have. That's why I'm helping people. Somebody you can talk. Right now I did TV station because of what I do advert for myself. I don't do advert for myself. The thing I have no, if I didn't sell the thing, give people the one you want, then I'll help you. I don't force somebody you should come to my place. Or because of money I'm sitting TV top. The power God give me, you're supposed to take the God power and help people, the people you don't have. So right now, if I have power and I can't help somebody, then you know the power we have no. That's why I'm promoting TV Top. Some people you can see your TV station. It's like I'm doing advert for myself. Me, I'm not doing advert. The thing where God give me, you supposed to share the thing give everybody. But if you see and you didn't come, that one it didn't concern me. If you go past that place, you go and buy ananti oil and other things. That thing all will be format. Their format. Right now, Asantifo na ebu omo be. Omo si jiramo hano e wo kwan bebre no mu dikunu. Pastors for no omo si bosomfo kura bosomfo no pastors ni bi wo ha. Omo nyina omo ye kronfo. So we ya adwuma ayese wo fa kwan paso ya adwuma no. If you want to do work or any business you are doing, you're supposed to do your work save neat, and everybody you can just come out and talk about your goodness. But if you do something and people you can come out and tell you about your goodness, but that thing you know the business what you are doing. Right now everybody come out, you are condemned about the spiritual work. Every blessed day if you open TV station, apart from Kumasi and Accra people, they take this work is like pastor's work. Everybody work. You go community center, you go and buy this and these dressings because you have vulgar made. That vulgar made you go and do some you go and do some leather. It's like white people come, the things we are using dancing and other, and where it's like medicine, you know, be medicine. That in the if you go culture center, you get that things and that tails and that this and how what do you call it? I forget that thing name Kura. If you see Malang Nana you medicine where you wear, it's like you are going to do moving or something like that. Medicine, if you don't know true medicine matter, you can't talk anyhow. If you don't know medicine matter, ask the people they know, then you show you medicine matter. You understand? So right now, anyone you want help, I talk a lot. If you are talk a lot and you didn't do something, people won't understand you. See before you believe. So right now, I want cameraman, he should take a camera, then I'll do one of two action. The money matter I'm talking, I want to do that money matter, then everybody see how I can do the money. If you want dollars, see this, and you come, inshallah, I can do one for you. So cameraman, I don't want camera edited, or I don't want you do something. Just put the camera and everybody who are watching TV, then the person know what I want to do for you people. This one it be what? It be pot. Nothing there inside. Cameraman, watch the thing well. This thing, you know, be editing. I want to do something small and everybody should understand. Nothing there inside. I didn't put nothing inside. But I want to do one of two things and everybody should see. Ni forma for Jarapa, but for my Kurma contemporary also. Alhosis, Alhobajandi, whatever I come with a power. Hazama Kavacha, power to Asha, don't disgrace me Kavacha, comment you Kavacha. Ni forma for Jarapa, ni forma for Jarapa. But for my Kurma contemporary also, Alhosis, Alhobajandi, whatever I come with your powers. So, for me pese the Oshe TV station yina omu se tumi wo ha na se tumi ni ho ade we ba me dia kire obia o TV station we me pese the omu hwe no we nu ya ka se edi sika wo ya chia ade be chie e wa ha we dollars no we dollars no me pese ti cameraman wo fa de no hwe sika no na de wo hwe TV station wani nyina no hu se Nana Agbazo mimi ye nkwara adwuma ewa ha mimi ye nkwara adwuma wa ha dollars no obi mo ha amoti TV station na amokoko counterfeit bi abetna TV station ti omo chamti sika mamanfo mimi ye nkwara adwuma no we no cameraman mamu hwe we no sika ni nyina ye we no enye agoro bi na edi wa ha me pese wi sika no a de o pesika we bia no fa Nana Agbazo number we no wan kasa wu sika no kro obi wu se eni keresi no de diska we chia ade be chia wa ha enye se obi mu ko pe kanta fig bia ba betrance se o mo bo nipa na wu ko no ho ano a ontimi bo sika no enne ya de na ma no ya kasa ebe iska we ni nyina de be chia wa ha sika no moti adwuma omu di ba obi mo ho mu ni adikoro no mo fresika no mbetna se sika no we sika no upe sika we bia wo de fa Nana Agbazo number na wo friend no wo ba sika bia na wo pe wo wiase nyina 20 billion 1 billion upe sika mi hu sika na wo pe wo wiase nyina ye ntimi yisa sika ni bi ma wo de o be ka se sa tumi ni ho a ende sa nipa na ni ho do ba ka se busu sika ni ho a we no nwanwasem no obi a nim bebia sika ni firba me na me nim bebia sika ni firba we enye nkwara ade na obeka say o we edict na na bi say busu mo motia no mo no munim kwen na mo fesa ba amu no munim kwen na mo fesa ba we no o pesika no a won betna sika say amu si wo kokko ji busum sika kire no wo be wo na say busum no be ka say fa wo ba bra na fa wo yere bra mimi yesa adwuma wo pesa sika we bia me brother won betna sika say busum sika fa wo ka tuka na wo bra tamale wo be dru tamala na wo si o wo ba Nana Agbazo ho wo pesika ni bi wo ba nye counterfeit wo on say we ni nyina mu no mu ni bebi o mu di ko fa sika na ba oba no akasa no oba woni vegina wako because sika die nyame na edima oba wo so oba be gibia na wo di ko hwe wo yere no obusuafo a be no obi antime be ka se wako gi bosom sika bosom no enye nipa na eku wo na mamre na obeye na edi ama na o mafre sika na ma ba di omo ho munim sika kwan a na o mo ti ho se sika duro no ukogia wo yiri bewu ana se obusuafo bewu ni nyina ya ntro de obekasa sa nkomo no a sa nipa no entroni we ni nyina bundle no we wudi echi a sika we ni ya kasa yi sika we ya ebe yi ni sa na de echi ebe yi ni sa na de echi sika no sika na mo fresh sika no wo pe sika ni bia enye se fa wo mami bra fa wo papa bra wo pe sika no wo de fa Nana Agbazo number na wo friend no wo friend Nana Agbazo a na wo si wo pe sika wo so yeye dachi fa Nana Agbazo number na wo friend me a ho kire ni nyina no ebe twa so sika no bundle wo pesika we bia dachi wo susu be ye ya eno fa Nana Agbazo number na wo frɛ no eno anu no wo wie no sika no ya ka se diska we echi a ye be yi sika no sa na de echi sika no sika no nie ye ka say disika we echi a wo be yiska sa na de echi ye be yiska we dollars na ope cd so sika bia na ope wo wi ase we fa bra sika ni bi no eni bi no ye ka say sika no we yiska we a my brother and sisters, if you want dollars, pounds, naira, CDs, contact Nana Agbazo. I'll give you some. Any money you want, the whole world. And you call Nana Agbazo. If you're there outside, just hold $1,000. If you're there Ghana, hold 30 million. And you come and collect some. And my brothers and sisters, this money, if you take them, you know, be human, be blood or bring your sister or your mother or your father. If you want this money to make rich, you know, the counterfeit. Me, I'm not doing counterfeit. Dollars, CDs, any amount you want. Just come. I can call this money. I'll do like this. It be small money. It be small money. But if you take this thing in future, your life and everything, it will solve for you. So my brother and sister, some people they TV top and they are doing computer editing and other things. Me, I'm not doing type of the work. If you want money to make in future, just contact my number and contact me. I will show you what you do and make it. Don't be hear what people you are saying because of the 419 they a lot. So if you want to search Nana Agbazo, just take my number. I have 0249 808699 0249 808699. Or if you want the Airtel Tigo 026 999 5548 026 999 5548. I have the Tigo number to read it down, but that one I don't know that number. That's 3 numbers all day for WhatsApp. If you want any help, don't be feel shame. Just take Nana Agbazo number and contact me. I will show you what you do and make it. You know, be Dubai you are going to make money. You know, be London you go and make it money. You know, be America you go to make money. If you want dollars they Ghana here. I can show you what you do and make it. It be secret thing. If you want in future, your children all will be big people. Just come to Nana Agbazo. I will show you what you can do and make it. This money, if you want dollars, this dollars, some people they are using counterfeit and other things. Watch the money well. Watch the money worth. There are plenty. If you see this money, you know say you know be fake people, fake things for Nana Agbazo do. Some people that you are doing. Cameraman, you capture the money well, and everybody who knows this money, you know, be counterfeit. I'm doing my work. Watch the money well, the dollars and everything. Watch them well. Watch the money well. Almost billions. And for these dollars, you know, be small dollars that if you want some to make some, contact me. I won't talk a lot. If you want everything to make in future your children and your family all everybody, contact me. I won't talk too much. Bye bye.